Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Row Hotel at Assembly Row, Autograph Collection by Marriott. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Somerville, downtown Assembly Row, the Row Hotel at Assembly Row, Autograph Collection, a Marriott hotel, features air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. The property is set 3.5 miles from Cambridge and 3.9 miles from downtown Boston. The property is 2.4 miles from Old Ship Street Historic District. All rooms in the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV and a coffee espresso maker. The private bathroom is fitted with a bath or shower and free toiletries. An American breakfast is available every morning at the property. Reflections is the lobby lounge, bar and restaurant serving breakfast and dinner. A 24-hour fitness center is available for guest use, as well as a business services and a heated indoor pool with private cabanas and an outdoor sun terrace. The Orange Line assembly station is located across the street from the property, a 1-minute walk away. TD Garden is 2.7 miles from the Row Hotel at Assembly Row, Autograph Collection, while Fenway Park is 4.9 miles away. Logan Airport is 6.9 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.